Good morning, children. Good morning. How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. So, children, who can give me what we are learning now? What is the name of the chapter that we are learning? Who can give me that? Only the person. Raise your hand. Okay, Eva.
Fraction, ma'am.
Fraction in means in okay. Fraction in general. Who can give me the specific topic?
Addition and subtraction.
Like fraction and dislike fraction.
Dislike. Are you saying about this Facebook like and dislike? Unlike we have, my dear, like and unlike, not dislike. Okay. Like and unlike. Okay. Like and unlike. Okay. Like fractions, unlike fractions. Now specifically what we are learning now, who can say, right, raise your hand and tell me.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Michelle.
Subtraction.
Yes, addition. We are learning add and subtract like fractions. Add and subtract like fractions. Now, Vanida, can you tell me, to add and subtract like fractions, what we have to do? What we will do?
Ma'am, we have to only add the numerator.
Very good. Add and subtract only. If it is addition, you have to add only the numerators. And if it is subtraction, we have to subtract only the numerators. And the denominator will be the same. Denominator, we are not going to add. Okay. So all the children, please take your math workbook, page number 17. We are going to start with the word problems, question number 18. Question number 18. Harshvardhan, did you get the page?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read the question number 18 louder? Question number 18 louder. Yes, question number 18, page number 17.
Ma'am, someone came at Lynn.
The page.
Page number 17, question number 18. Read louder. All others, please mute and listen properly. Yes.
Samir painted 1/3 of a face. Fence. Vijay
Of a fence. Okay, for fence. Vijay
painted 1/3 of the
fence.
The next day, how much fence in left?
Unpainted. So children, you know what is a fence? We know that is a boundary wall, maybe in near your house.
Houses.
Wooden. Yes, we have seen in many, I think, English stories and all, that painting we have studied one. Good morning. And Pavitra, please take your page number 17, math workbook. So children, we also learned some stories that some boy, he's tricking their friends to make his fence painted. See, okay, so
yes,
like that story is also. Have you studied that story?
Adventure of Tom
I'm Eva.
Lace.
What? Okay.
Adventure of Tom Lace.
Yes, that's what. Okay, very good. So you remember. So that is a fence, you know. Usually we will say that is a wood, and maybe sometimes we'll say sheep or horse also, they will be put in a fence. Okay. So there are two boys, I think Samir and Vijay. They painted 1/3 of a fence in one day. Samir, they did painting in one day. That is 1/3, 1/3 of the fence. And the other day, Vijay also painted that much. Now we had to find out how much left unpainted. So first what we have to do, we have to know total how much they painted together. Yes or no? Vijay plus Samir. Vijay plus Samir, how much they painted together. After that, we have to subtract from the total. Okay? So let's do together.
2/3.
Okay. So we will do step by step. All of you, please take your... You have to write this because this is a word problem. We have to write the steps in detail. Page number 17. Page number 17. We are doing, children, question number 18. So we have two boys, that is Samir and Vijay. So first what we'll do, we just write the total part of the fence painted. By whom? Vijay and Samir. So we had to add total part of the fence painted. Total part of the fence
Equal to 2 by 3.
Yes. So total part of the fence painted. So 1 by 3 is painted by Samir plus 1 by 3 by Vijay. So the total we have to find total part of the fence painted. So Abel Varghese, can you give me the total? Abel Varghese, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3?
2 by 3.
Very good. 2 by 3. See, children, we will add only the numerator. 1 and 1. 1 plus 1. 2. 2 by 3. Okay. Next, what we have to do? Part of the fence left unpainted. Part of the fence left unpainted. Part of the fence left unpainted. Unpainted. So like this question we have done.
Finish.
Question number 17 also. So children, how we will do this? From the total, we have to subtract the part that is painted. So who can give total here? Huh?
3 by 3 minus 2.
Very good. 3 by 3. See, look here, children. The denominator is 3. So what will be the whole? 3 by 3. Full. The whole part means it is 3 by 3. You have to take away 2 by 3 from here. Don't say the answer now, children. You have to do alone. Part of the fence left unpainted. Let me...
already finished.
Vishnu, tell me how much part is left unpainted. Vishnu? 3 by 3 minus 2 by 3? You are muted, my dear. Say louder. What's that? 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3 is the answer. So we will write the final step. Therefore, 1 by 3 or 1/3 of the fence is left unpainted. So we will write here. Therefore, 1 minute. Let me move this little bit up. Therefore, one-third of the fence, 1 by 3 of the fence is left unpainted. Is left unpainted. Mute your device. Some disturbance from, I don't know from whom. Please mute your device. Therefore, 1/3 of the fence is left unpainted.
Ma'am, finish.
Finished. Those who finished, please wait. 1 more minute.
Finish. I am not finished.
Okay, my dear, I am giving you 1 more minute. Those who finish, please read the next question and be quiet.
Amen, finish. Amen, finish.
Okay, amen, very good. Okay, you are very fast today. Okay. Michelle, completed?
I already finished, ma'am.
Completed. Yes.
I am
So, okay, those who have completed, my dear, please wait and read the next question in your mind. I will ask you now what we have to do.
Ma'am, can I read?
Wait. Okay, who can read louder? Louder. Raise your hand. Don't say, ma'am, let me just see. Yes, Vihan. Amen. Wait. We have more questions. So, Vihan, let me see whether you can read louder. Vihan.
Amen, can we?
Wait. Yes, Vihan. Louder. Question number 19.
Arun drinks 2/10 of the milk from the jug. Ravi drinks 1/10 of it. And Sunil drinks 4/10. What fraction of the milk is left in the jug?
Jug. Okay, so here there are 3 children, Arun, Ravi, and Sunil. So they have, they are drinking milk. So you know the fractions. And what is the question? What fraction of the milk is left? So how much is remaining means what do you have to do? Left means?
Subtract.
Subtract. Okay, before subtracting, children, we should know how much total they have drank. Yes,
And we have to
together.
add and
Okay,
subtract.
so we have to write with steps. I think you have more space there, no?
Yes,
Ma'am, there's lots of space.
Yes. So children, please take page number 18.
Finish.
Question number. Page number 18. Question number 19. Let's write together. Okay. So what will write the first step? Fraction of milk that Arun drank. The same step we do for all these, Sunil and Ravi. So listen and write. Fraction of milk. Fraction of milk that Arun drank. Arun drank. How much, Ayman? Tell me. Look at the question and tell me how much, which fraction of the milk was drank by Arun? It is 2/10. 2/10. So write the fraction. Yes, Ayman. Tell me. 2/10 means. Tell me the fraction. 2 by 10. 2/10 means 2 by 10. Okay, very good.
I joined now only.
Okay, so it is written here, page number 18, question number 19. Start from here now. Okay. The other answers will be sent in the group. Okay, next we will write, instead of Arun, we will write Ravi. Fraction of milk. Fraction of milk that Ravi drank. Ravi drank. Fraction of milk that Ravi drank.
1 by 10.
1 by 10, because it is written 1/10. 1/10 means 1 by 10. Next, who is the person? Arun, Ravi, then one more person is there. Sunil. So we will write fraction of milk.
Ma'am, finish.
Fraction of milk that Sunil drank. Okay, please, children, this question is not over. So you have to wait, okay? Sunil drank. So Sunil drank how much?
4 by 10.
4/10. 4/10 means?
4 by 10.
4 by 10.
Ma'am, 4 by 10.
Okay. So next what we had to do, we had to find out the total fraction of milk that was drunk by all these 3 persons. Total
7 by
fraction.
10.
You had to add.
7 by 10, ma'am.
Yes, 7 by 10.
7 by
So we had to write the step, children, here. Total fraction of milk. Total fraction of milk. Total fraction of milk that Arun, Ravi, and Sunil drank. There are 3 persons, so that's why we are writing all these 3 names. Total fraction of milk that Arun, comma, then we have Ravi and Sunil drank. Sunil drank. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to add 2 by 10 plus 1 by 10 plus 4 by 10. So you already gave me the answer, yes? 4 plus 1, 5 plus 2, that is 7.
7. completed.
Ma'am, 7 by
Okay.
10.
So children, here 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7. 2 plus 1, 3.
7 by 10.
By 10. Now the children, the question is not over. We have to find out. Look at the last sentence of the question.
7 by 10.
What fraction of the milk is left in the jug? So fraction of
10
milk.
by 10 minus 7 by 10.
Ah, fraction of milk. Okay, children. Now I will ask the fraction of milk left.
Ma'am, 3 by 10.
We have to subtract from the total. So who can give me? What is the total here?
10 by 10 minus
Very
7
good.
by 10 minus 10 by 10. 10 by 10.
Because here 10 parts. It is the denominator is 10. So if the numerator and denominator are same, that represents 1. So that is the whole. 10 by 10 minus 7 by 10. So the answer is
3 by 10.
3 by 10.
3 by 10.
7 by 10.
3 by 10.
3 by 10. Finish.
Finished. Okay.
Finish, ma'am. Not finished. I'm finished.
So those who finish, please wait. Don't, no need to say. I will give you 1 more minute because some children I can see they are writing. So we had to write the last step. Therefore, 3 by 10 of the milk is left in the jug.
Finish, ma'am.
Therefore, write the last sentence. Those who finished. Therefore, 3 by 10 of the milk. 3 by 10 of the milk therefore 3 by 10 of the milk therefore 3 by 10 of the milk is left in the jug.
Left in the jug.
Okay. Therefore, 3 by 10 of the milk is left in the jug. Okay.
I'm finished.
Please speak.
Already. For lots of time.
Finish. I'm able first.
I didn't ask who is first and who is last. I will give you more minutes.
I was first. I was first.
So those who are writing, write it fast so that we can complete more questions. Okay. Devananda, can you read the next question number 20?
I'm not finished.
Yes, children, have you all completed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Who said no? Many children, they said finish fast.
Finish, ma'am.
Ah.
Finish. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you listen, Devananda, can you read the next question? Question number 20.
Ma'am.
Question number 20.
Can I read?
She's reading. I cannot hear. Yes, Amen. Amen said last time. Yes, Amen. Read louder. Question number 20.
Okay, 20?
Yes, 20.
Okay.
Harisharan,
Harisharan and Reena ate
Rani,
Rani ate 1 by 5 and 2 by 5 of a cake
respectively.
respectively. How much cake did they eat together? How much cake is left?
Together.
Ma'am,
Together. Then how much cake is left also we had to find out. So children, tell me how much cake they left it, how much cake did they eat together means what we have to do? Add, yes. Harisharan ate 1 by 5 and Rani ate 2 by 5. So we had to find out how much they ate together. So we will add. Okay, very good. Correct answer. But children, that the question is not. We have to do how much cake is left also. Yes. So I have completed this question number 19. So I am to change.
Finish, ma'am. We finished.
Question number 20. We will write together. Fraction of the cake eaten by Harisharan. Fraction of cake eaten by Harisharan. Harisharan. That is 1/5. Next, we will write instead of Harisharan, who is the next person? Rani. Yes?
Yes. Rani.
So you can write the step alone. But you will write the next step. Fraction of cake eaten by Rani. Very good. Excellent. You can write the
2/5
steps alone. Yes. Fraction of cake eaten by Rani. Eaten by Rani. What is the fraction of cake eaten by Rani?
2/5.
2/5. Now, total fraction of the cake eaten by these two children. So, we can write total fraction of cake. Total fraction of cake. Total fraction of cake eaten by Harisharan and Rani.
Ma'am, attendance.
Why? I will take, don't worry. All of you mute your device. Okay? All of you.
Sharon and Rani.
Total fraction of cake eaten by Harisharan and who's the person?
Rani.
1/5 plus 2/5.
Yes, 1/5 plus 2/5. I will ask one by one. All the children has to do alone.
Ma'am, I finished.
Those who finished, please wait.
3/5.
Yes, Joseph.
Finish.
Tell me total fraction of cake eaten by Harisharan and Rani.
3/5. 3/5.
What's the answer?
3/5.
Children add like fractions. What we will add only? Numerators. Very good. Okay. So children, here total fraction of cake eaten by Harisharan and Rani. Now we can read the last sentence of the question.
Yes, ma'am. How much cake is left?
Yes, how much cake is left? What we have to do?
Subtract.
Subtract from where?
From the whole.
The whole. Very good. Okay. So children, write the step last one. Okay. So cake left. I will ask one by one. Okay. Fraction of cake left.
2/5.
Fraction of cake left. So Vihan, tell me what is the whole here?
5/5.
5/5. Very good. 5/5. Because here the denominator and numerator are same. That represents the whole. Okay. 5/5 minus what we have to do?
Answer
The total parts that was eaten by them. What is that?
3/5.
3/5. Okay. Find out the answer alone. Don't say the answer together. I will ask later.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay, my dear. Please wait. Those who finish, please be quiet and let everyone complete alone.
Can I write question number 21?
Wait, my dear, wait. Now, yes, Joseph, tell me the answer. 5/5 minus 3/5. What's the answer?
2/5.
2/5. Very good. So, children, we had to write, therefore, 2/5 of the cake is left. So, right here, therefore, 2/5 of the cake is left. 2/5 of the cake is left.
Some background noise.
Whose audio is not muted? Please check.
Ma'am, Eva Jolie.
Yes.
Okay. So have you all completed here, children?
Yes, ma'am.
No? Right now?
Am I writing question number 21?
Those who have not written, please write. Others, please be quiet and read the next question alone. And I will ask you what we have to do. Read question number 21. So children, what we are doing addition and subtraction of like fractions. So we are going to complete the word problems. Okay, so Anne Pavira, can you read question number 21? Louder, please.
Can you send this page?
8 4 by 9 of a chocolate bar in the morning and 2 by 9 in the evening.
What portion?
What portion of the chocolate bar
Portion
is
of
remaining?
the
What
chocolate bar is remaining when
more
they
chocolate?
eat more chocolate?
My dear Vihan, Joseph, please mute. I didn't tell you to read. Yes, Anne Pavira, continue.
When she ate more chocolate.
When did she eat more chocolate? So Nisha ate the chocolate bar. How much? Which fraction of chocolate bar eaten in the morning? Yes, Anne Pavira.
Answer Rani.
4 by 9.
4 by 9.
It's Rani.
Now Nisha ate how much in the evening? Abel Varghese, look at the question and tell me.
2 by 9.
In the evening.
2 by 9.
4 by 9 of the chocolate bar in the morning.
4 by
And
9.
how much in the evening?
2 by 9.
2 by 9. Okay, 2 by 9. Very good. Okay, Vishnu, tell me, when did she eat or when did she have more chocolate? Is it in the morning? Look at the question. 4 by 9 and 2 by 9. Which is big fraction?
4 by 9.
4 by 9. That means when did she eat more? In the
4 by 9.
4 by 9. That means in the morning. Okay, children. So let's continue the question number 21. So what will write the first step? Part of the chocolate bar eaten by Nisha in the part of the chocolate bar. Part of the chocolate bar. Nisha eaten by Nisha in the morning. You have to look at the question and write alone. Then part of the chocolate bar eaten by Nisha in the evening.
The morning.
Don't say the answers. Okay, we will check later. By the time I want to take the attendance, the time is going to over. Chocolate bar eaten by Nisha in the evening. Find out alone from the question. Then find out total part of the chocolate eaten. Total part of the chocolate eaten. Total part of the chocolate eaten. You have to find the answers alone, children, by the time I will take your attendance. So, tell me, part of the chocolate bar eaten by Nisha in the morning.
4 by 9.
4 by 9. Part of the chocolate bar eaten by Nisha in the evening.
2 by 9.
2 by 9.
2 by 9.
Total, children, what we have to do? 4 by 9 plus 2 by 9. What's the answer?
Plus
6 by 9.
6 by 9. 6 by 9.
6 by 9. 6 by 9. Have you all got this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, the question is not over. We have to find out the fraction for that is not eaten, and we have to write which is fraction is greater. That we will continue in the next class. Okay,
Ma'am,
children,
I
bye-bye.
finished
Thank you.
everything.
Have a nice day.
Ma'am,
Bye.
I finished.